Introduction to Textual. Textual is a free tool on columns.ai. What is Textual? Textual is a free tool that helps us to make instant shareable live visualization from simple text. Maybe you have a question about public facts. Maybe you have a text paragraph with some numbers in it. Or maybe you just have some simple data points copied from a sheet or from your brain. There are 3 easy, simple use cases of quick visualization using Textual. Use case 1, I have a question. I would like AI to find some public facts in numbers for me to visualize it to share. Let's take a look. Use case 1, sometimes I have a question about public facts. I want AI to find some numbers for that so I can visualize. For example, I can do top 10 countries by population. This is like known fact. AI should be able to find across a lot of places. So you can see when I ask this question, it finds the data and with numbers returned in this sheet, and it also visualizes it under. But here rank is not that useful for me, so I can select this column and delete it. And the interesting thing is nothing I need to modify, so I can collapse this data sheet and focus on the graph itself. So here, if I look at this bar chart, I see the country list. But what about if I visualize it in a world map? I can literally just switch to the map type, and the data is visualized in a world map. I can use the bubble chart style to demonstrate, like, the population number. For the tile is too dark, so I want to make it a little bit lighter. And I also want to use in maybe this one. Yeah, I want to use dark mode style to share this population data. Everything is good. Of course, I can add some annotations here, but I just want to share right now. So I click this link. The link is copied. When I share this with other people, people can just open this and see what data and visualizations I shared with them. This is graph. Use case 2, I have a text paragraph. I would like AI to extract data from it and visualize it for me so I can share with people. Let's take a look at it. Use case 2, my friend sent me an email with some numbers about income distribution. He copied it from some paper. No matter where I copy it, I just have a text graph of some numbers. I want to visualize them. So here I just paste the text graph he just sent me, and here I just copy paste here and click the AI extraction. As you can see, it turns this unstructured text graph into structured data. You can see the numbers here. This column is useless. I deleted it too. And now you can see it actually gives me these visualizations right away. This is a category, and this is a number of people fall into this income range. I have a lot of choices. I can continue to style it, go to general settings to find the best palette or style I want. I want to generate smart title. Great. And I want to style other axis y-axis, or rename the matrix. Here I can also easily to switch into the pie, and I can build a very, very beautiful pie here. The pie chart, it's great. I want to pairize it, and I also want to use in semi circle for that. Smaller of the circle, but maximize the margin, top as well as bottom. All right, still stay on the pie chart settings. I want to have this rotate turned off, so keep it some distance. All right, probably this is the best range of the pie chart I want. And now I want to copy the link to share with people again. Use case 3, I just have a few quick data points, and I directly added the sheet on Textual for visualization. How it works, let's take a look. Use case 3, I neither have a question nor have a task graph with numbers. I have numbers itself. Note that these spreadsheets, this sheet actually is editable, so you can just enter the data by yourself. For example, I have my last year performance score at 98. And I want to visualize this in a gauge chart. So as you can see here, by default, is always using bar to visualize the data from the sheet. I collapse the sheet and I go to pick the gauge chart. The gauge chart gives me a default settings, but I can click it to bring up the settings. I make this a little bit bigger. I set the ranges. Right now it's using the 89 as max, but performance score was max at 100. So after I apply that, I know my performance is at this position. Going forward, you can see I can adjust some other things. For example, go to general. I can find a cool style for that, and I like gradient palette for this actually. So you can see I can also do something. Go back to this settings. I can change the needle color. I can hide the label. I can change the font to make it a little bit more interesting, right? So now this is my search chart, and I want to download it or share it with people. I click the link and share it.